Hello students, welcome back. We're going to be going over day 25 and it says here are the graphs of the inequalities in the system. X is less than Y, and I'm going to type that in here. That symbol is less than. And then it says Y is greater than or equal to negative 2x minus 6. And then it's telling us decide whether each point is a solution to the system. Explain how you know. So I'm going to be doing A, and I'm also going to be doing number 1. And you're going to have to do 2 through 5. So in order for it to be a solution to this, a point needs to be a solution to the system, it must be inside this area. Okay, so the first one says 0, 6. I'm gonna go to 0 and then up 6. It's right here. And I notice 0, 6 is in the shaded region where it overlaps, where I have the lines and the burgundy overlapping. So I know it's a solution. So graphically, I know it's a solution. I'm going to show you algebraically how I know it's a solution. So I know this is 0 is 6, 0 is x, and y is equal to 6. So I'm going to substitute those two numbers in my equation. So it says x is less than 6. So I'm going to put 0 is less than 6. Is that true? Yes, it is. So I like using happy faces. So I put a happy face because it's true. Then I'm going to substitute 0 and 6 in the next inequality. So I'm going to have 6 is greater than or equal negative 2 times 0 minus 6. Well, let's work out this side. Negative 2 times 0 is 0, minus 6 is negative 6. On this side, we have negative 6, and on this side, we have positive 6. So let's read this out loud. Is 6 greater than or equal to negative 6? The answer is true. So I'm going to put a happy face. So I know that 0, 6 is a solution to the system because you can say it's inside the shaded region, or you can say I verified it algebraically and it was true for both inequalities. So let's do number 1, 3, negative 5. So let me change to a different color here. Let's use blue. So I'm going to look for 3, negative 5 in my graph. So I go to negative 3, which is right here in the middle. Sorry, I need to go to positive 3. I go to 3 about that. Okay, I'm going to positive 3, which is in the middle of 2 and 4. And then I'm going to go to negative 5, which is right there. Do you see graphically that blue point does not fall in the shaded region where it overlaps the lines and the burgundy? It's on the side where the lines are, but it needs to be in this top portion. I'm going to use yellow. It needs to be in this part right here, and it's not. So I know 3, negative 5 is not a solution. But I'm going to show you algebraically why it doesn't work. So I'm going to substitute 3 and negative 5 in my inequalities. So this one says 3 is less than negative 5. And is that true? Is a positive less than a negative? It is not. So I'm going to put a sad face. It's false. So if the first inequality is false, then it's not going to work. Okay. So we write 3 negative 5 is not a solution to the system because it wasn't in the shaded region. You can also say it didn't, algebraically, it didn't make the statement true. Something like that. I hope this works for you. I hope I answered your questions for this problem. If not, you can email your math teacher and she will be able to help you, okay? Or he, because I forgot Coach Edmiston teaches ninth grade also, okay? Good luck and see you next week.